Are we rolling? Yeah? Am I a genius? More like a captain of industry. My name is Yen, and I'm the sole visionary behind Yen and Berries. And trust me when I say, my frozen yogurt is going to change the world. People say Yen is an outside site in the middle of February. Really the way to launch a business? I say people don't want my berries anytime, any place. They're telling me branch into new flavours. Try different sauces and sprinkles. Be innovative. I say people want the classics. Scoop vanilla and they will come. And I, of all people, know they love a gooseberry.
What about using technologies to branch out or scale up?
I thought of that. I want them self-scoop and pay stores in High Wycombe. Somebody nicked it. Oi!